Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by physically connecting the Zoom Guitar Lab to your computer and verifying power. This reduces dropouts. Next, install the latest driver or firmware so the unit communicates correctly, and then set the audio interface sample rate to 48, 000 or 44, 100 Hz for best latency and fidelity. Once done, open the Zoom Guitar Lab app and choose the device for both input and output in audio settings. Make sure buffering defaults to low to begin the signal chain. Now route your guitar into the DAW or standalone app by creating an input track sourced from the Zoom device and enable monitoring so you hear changes live. Once the signal is present, load a patch or build one. Arrange effect blocks with preamp and amp sims first, then modulation, delay, and finally reverb for natural depth. Adjust gain staging and trim to avoid clipping, and frequently bypass individual blocks to compare your tweaks. This helps you hear what each block actually contributes. Finish by saving your patch to the Zoom unit and exporting a backup file to your computer so you never lose settings. If you're capturing performance, record dry and wet stems at 24-bit into your DAW for maximum headroom and mixing flexibility. If something fails, systematically troubleshoot. Confirm the unit is powered and recognized, check sample rate, and driver conflicts with other audio devices. Increase buffer size temporarily to rule out dropouts, and restart the app or device to reinitialize connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.